Recording.
Riding the BMW R12 in the rain, March 26, 2026. But yeah, started raining sooner than it was supposed to. So we're riding the R12 in the rain. Doesn't hurt anything. I suppose I could switch it to rain mode, which is roll, so a little bit less power, but the roads aren't too wet just yet. And I'm close to home. It's 50, wow. 53 degrees. When I left home half hour ago, it was 60. When I left 5 minutes ago, it was 58. Definitely getting cooler. I'm glad I got to go out riding this morning. On a longer ride, because it wasn't raining and it was in the high 50s. It's supposed to be 71 this afternoon. Last I saw the forecast, it was going to be like in the 40s by 6 o'clock. And then super cold tomorrow. So this is a ride on the 2024 BMW R12 in the rain. Why does that car look purple? It does have a purple silver tinge to it. These people are waiting for the school bus. I'm gonna go around the back. So this bike has clutchless shifting, or you can. Not real comfortable from when you're in a lower gear, like I'd say first to third. Like here, we're gonna go second to third. A little jumpy. Yeah, third to fourth isn't so bad. And then fourth back down to third. Not too bad. Now you can see the road's getting wet. That's good. Rinse off the salt. I think I'm actually going to rinse off my bike of salt. Anyway, that's my ride in the rain.